How to assemble a Rover Company raised dog bed. We'll start with what's in the box. Leg pieces. These curved PVC pieces hold your dog bed off the ground. Crossbars. These straight PVC pieces connect to the top rails. Then the bed and rails, the main supports, and resting surface for your raised dog bed. Assembling your bed is easy and should only take a few minutes. Start with the tag facing up. You'll find it on the underside of the mat. Grab the crossbars first. These are the straight PVC pieces. Slide them through the sleeves located on the short side of the mat. Guide the nose in first, and then push it through. Then connect the crossbars to the legs, one corner at a time. Push each corner firmly to ensure that it's in place. Now connect the legs, one corner at a time. Rotate the legs as you connect each corner if it feels tight. Attach both ends of each leg before moving on to the next one. And now you're done. You've just assembled your Rover Company raised dog bed, and it's ready to be used. Now, how to take your dog bed apart. Start by flipping the bed over and removing the legs. Grab the inside of the curves and pull, and remember, the corners may be tight on a new bed. Removing a tight corner takes about the same amount of strength as lifting a jug of milk. Now disconnect the crossbars from the rails. Grab the crossbars with one hand and pull the curved section of the rail straight outwards. Now pull the crossbars out of the bed sleeve. Slide them outwards one at a time. You can now store your bed, or you can remove the mat to wash it. Your dog will love their raised dog bed from Rover Company. It's clean, flexible, and assembles in minutes. If you'd like to learn more, you can follow the links in the description below to visit our Facebook or Twitter accounts, or you can visit us online at roverpet.com. And as always, remember to enjoy. roverpet.com